Hi, we want to show you some more about how you can use the external tax solution for the United States to get even more detailed, accurate information about your tax results and the information that you've sent to your external tax partner. First of all, let's have a look at how we can extend our views using extension fields delivered standard by SAP. I'll go into the Manage External Tax Postings app, then open the Successfully Sent tab. From here, I'll open an invoice receipt. And since I want to add some columns to the default document detail table, I'll select Settings, then select the columns that I want to add. I'll add the columns with the information for cost center, document date, posting date, and purchasing document, then select OK. Now my table has these columns added and populated with the information relevant to the items included with this sent document. I'll adjust the columns so that I can see what I want to look at a little bit more easily. And here we go. I can see that the tax calculations all add up according to the base amount and the rate for each item, so this looks good to me. So this is one option available to me to extend the information that my app gives me, but I can also add custom fields into my tax postings. Certain kinds of information need to be included in my tax-relevant postings in my industry, so I'll need to add a way to include this information. Our administrator takes on the first portion of this. She opens the Custom Fields in Logic app and selects the plus sign to add a new field. She enters the mandatory data in the pop-up. Here's everything filled out. Then she selects Create and Edit. From here, I can add the field to specific interfaces and reports. We want to use my field in service contracts, so let's enable that. And then set the business scenarios that the field is relevant for. Then let's save and publish our field. Once that's done, we need to export it. So let's open up the Export Software Collection app. We'll add our field and export it. And there it is, ready for us to use. Our configurations expert now needs to map the custom field to one of the extension fields in the external tax solution. So she'll open up the Map Extensibility Fields app and map our field to an open extension field. She'll select Extension Field 25, input the source structure and the source field, and then she saves. And here's our mapped field in the fields list, ready to be added into the apps or processes where we need it. So let's do that now. In our example, we're going to go ahead and add it to delivery documents. So our billing clerk will open the Create Billing Documents app and select a delivery document. Then we need to select the user icon and select Adapt UI. We'll right-click a field in the General Information section, add our custom field, and select OK. And here it is. Now there's one more thing we should look at. Let's look at a different invoice, one that's been posted. And look here. Here's our field, populated. We can quickly take a look at the pricing elements and see the tax amounts and rates assessed at each jurisdiction level. And we can see the tax amount in the general information. Now here's the really fun part. Let's have a look at the information that was passed on to our external tax partner from our custom field. I'll log into the Message Dashboard app. This app shows me the dates information was passed on to my tax partner, whether there were any errors in sending that data, indicated by red, and provides me a lot of information broken down by the services that communicate with my tax partner. But this is the part that I wanted to show you. Let's open up the date of our invoice, open up a service, select our invoice from the list of items sent on that date, and let's open up the custom fields information. Look at this. If we scroll to the right to extension field 25, we see the value that we had in our custom field, 123. So there it is. We've seen how to extend your views to include additional standard fields in the Manage External Tax Postings app, and we've seen how to create custom fields, include them in your tax-relevant documents, and check on the information that was passed on to your tax partner using the message dashboard. These are some of the tools that are available to you to enhance your oversight of the tax information in the external tax solution for the United States in SAP S/4HANA Cloud.